Welcome to our ultimate all-season tire showdown. In this corner, we have the 2023 launch, the Continental AllSeasonContact 2, promising cutting-edge technology and exceptional performance in all weather conditions. And in the other corner, the 2022 contender, the Kumho Solus 4S HA32 Plus, known for its reliable all-season capabilities. Get ready for an exciting battle between these two impressive all-season tires and say goodbye to seasonal tire swaps. First, let's dive into the wet performance. The Continental AllSeasonContact 2 stops 4.4 meters shorter in wet braking, with a stopping distance of 45.4 meters compared to Kumho's 49.8 meters. But in wet handling, Kumho slightly edges out with a speed of 74.7 kilometers per hour, just 0.1 kilometers per hour faster than the Continental. For straight-line aquaplaning resistance, the Continental leads again, managing 76.1 kilometers per hour versus Kumho's 72.8 kilometers per hour. Next up, snow performance. The Continental AllSeasonContact 2 stops 0.2 meters shorter in snow braking at 23.2 meters. It also pulls stronger in snow traction with a force of 2,744 newtons, surpassing Kumho's 2,672 newtons. In snow handling, the Continental maintains an average speed of 57.4 kilometers per hour, which is 1 kilometers per hour faster than the Kumho. When it comes to mileage, the Continental AllSeasonContact 2 outlasts the Kumho Solus 4S HA32 Plus significantly. The Continental offers a lifespan of 58,923 kilometers, almost 10,000 kilometers more than Kumho's 49,009 kilometers. This makes the Continental a more durable option for long-term use. In dry performance, the Continental stops 1 meter shorter in braking at 40.4 meters. However, for dry handling, the Kumho performs slightly better with an average speed of 88.5 kilometers per hour, 0.7 kilometers per hour faster than the Continental. For noise levels, the Kumho Solus 4S HA32 Plus is slightly quieter at 72 decibels compared to Continental's 72.3 decibels. The difference is minimal. Lastly, in rolling resistance, the Continental AllSeasonContact 2 performs better at coefficient value of 7.7, leading to better fuel efficiency at 5.56 liters per 100 kilometers compared to Kumho's 5.67 liters per 100 kilometers. In summary, the Continental AllSeasonContact 2 excels in wet, dry, snow, and mileage, making it the better choice for year-round driving, while the Kumho Solus 4S HA32 Plus offers slightly better dry handling and noise levels. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.